जो आज तक नहीं पता चली थी। अरे वाह।
And the bridge right in front of you is called the Brugge. Is actually the oldest in town and dates from the 13th century.
13th century building. This is 13th century building. हम लोग आज ब्रूज में हैं। It is called as a North Venice of Europe. Today is 30th August 2011.
And you can still see the logo of the Pelican, which is being constructed right about the entrance door. And the canal route to the right goes to Ghent. Ghent is about 45 kilometers from Bruges. Right in front of you can see the spire of St. Anne Church. The interior of the church is being considered as one of the nicest in town. And within the city center we have 21 churches for a total population of about 20,000 people.
इस चर्च हैं इस सिटी में और लगभग कुल 20,000 लोग रहते हैं। 1857 तक की बिल्डिंग इस शहर में है जो बिल्कुल वेल मेंटेन्ड है।
And the big building here on the left-hand side is the College of Europe. And here some smart people from all over Europe comes together to study the economic and monetary problems of Europe. But unfortunately, till today, I didn't see any good results.
College of Europe. College of Europe. This is the building, College of Europe.
Right next to the college, you can see the Belgium church. It's been constructed in the 17th century. And it's
17th century का चर्च है।
It's been constructed in Baroque style.
17th century का चर्च है। उतर जाओ लगा
And the canal to the right, just after the next bridge, goes directly to the sea, but also to the village of Damme. And after Damme, it continues into Sluis in the Netherlands.
थोड़ी तू बना बनाया तो मेरी भी आ जाएगी। इधर बैठ के बना लो आगे। बना ले पहले 2 मिनट। हाँ हाँ।
मजा आ गया बहुत गजब चीज है.
Right in front of you, you can now see the Jan van Eyck Square. Within the background, the Burgers Lodge. It's been constructed in the 15th century. It was actually a private club where rich burghers of Bruges could meet up with the foreign merchants. And today, this building is being used as the state archive. Right after the next bridge, we are entering the medieval harbour of the city. And this harbour was divided in several sections. The Dutch merchants, they were sitting along on the right-hand side, and in the other side, in the corner, was especially occupied by the Spanish and the Portuguese. And the building that you see on the left-hand side, just after the bridge, is the former British consulate, and today it's being used as a primary school.
बहुत बढ़िया सिटी है. ऑनेस्ट सिटी. मजा भी आ रहा नहीं. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Right in front of you in that small street, you can see the entrance of Café Vlissingen. That's the oldest pub in our town and dates from 1515.
अरे वाह. वेनिस डिफरेंट था, लेकिन ये बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है. यहाँ बहुत शांति है.
And a little bit further on the left-hand side, you can see some nicely restored houses. They have typical Bruges step gables. You can see them also in the other Low Countries, such as the northern France and the Netherlands. And the building right next to it with the red window is actually for sale for the moment, for €1 million though.
ये बिल्डिंग बिकाऊ है, अगर खरीदनी हो तो. कितने की है? रेड विंडोज वाली. ये वाली. ये कितने की है ये?
In some of the houses, they have sculpture heads on their facades, like the one here on the right-hand side. And the people, they did that because at the time they were quite suspicious. And they strongly believed that those heads would keep out the bad spirits out of their homes.
सत्रहवीं शताब्दी के हैं ज्यादातर घर. मेंटेन किया हुआ इन लोगों ने. गजब. इसे यूं मत कर. खड़ा मत कर. खड़ा मत कर बिल्कुल भी. अरे खड़ा मत कर, सारी वीडियो पे कहाँ जाएगी यार. खड़ा मत करिए. पॉलिटिकल मत करिए. इस बच्चे की फोटो लेने के लिए किया था. ठीक है, पर पॉलिटिकल फिर वो वीडियो में आता नहीं है ना. हाँ.